அதில் ஒன்றுமே இல்லை. என்னம்மா என்ன சாப்பிட்றது சொல்லு நீ நைட்டுக்கு?
Is this for sit here?
அது எனக்கு ஸ்கூல்ல ஏதான வைப்பாங்க சும்மா ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்.
Look in the small. I'll do it for a minute. Maybe later.
நீயே படிச்சுக்கிறியா?
That's because it's lemon, ma.
Huh?
It's lemon, not pineapple. Yeah, we may or may not have accidentally picked out lemon.
Huh?
I think we accidentally picked out lemon.
Lemon? I like only pineapple.
You're a unique person, you know that, Mom? People are joining your class, Mom.
You want to join the சரி நானே எடுத்துக்கிறேன். ஒன்று கூடக்கூடாதுன்னு பார்க்குறேன்.
என்ன சொல்லு.
இந்த ஆக்கண்ணா அப்போட சாப்பிட்டுக்கிறியா? எங்கடா அது? என்னடா பண்ற? Hi, Samandi. How are you? Good. Very tired from school? Hi, Akshita. Hi, Nidhi. How are you? Hey, when is your EOC, guys?
Mine's on Tuesday.
You're all prepared? Do you feel like you're all prepared for the EOC?
I'm pretty confident.
Nice. Okay. Lakshmita, good to see you. Last week I didn't see you. One second, ma'am. Okay. So shall we move on from where we left, or do you want to revise for the EOC? What do you guys think? I'm okay with either. But you have to let me know quickly. Tell me, guys. Anything is okay with me, but I'm asking you, right?
Is it fine if we can revise for the EOC?
Sure. Okay. Yours is on Tuesday. Jay, when is yours? EOC?
Tuesday.
Oh, okay. Everybody has it on Tuesday. Are Lakshmita yours? Akshita yours?
Mine is on Tuesday.
Okay. 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 So let me quickly check, guys. Okay. Let's see this one. 1 second, guys. Okay, let's see this one quickly. We'll go through. Have you done any of the star papers, guys? From your end, have you done any of the star papers? Guys, tell me, guys, have you done any of the star papers? I will avoid the years that you have already done. That's why I'm asking. Harshit, have you tried the star EOC question papers? Do you know where it is?
No.
Okay. You should make a note of this website, and you have to work out for every year. Go to high school algebra 1 and do all of the previous year's papers. That's the best way to practice. Okay. So I'm giving you the link here. Please note it down. Work with your parents on. There are answer keys. You can yourself check. Make sense? Okay. Let's go ahead. Let's see this one. Some of these I have revised with you, so just hold on. Okay. Give me a minute, guys. I will go ahead and give you. Certain things are very easy. I don't want to revise. Some of them are not. Let's see. Okay, how about this? Okay. Let's see this one. Let me know what is the answer to this one. I'm going to share my screen with you all. So we'll revise at least how many ever questions possible. We'll revise so that you get a good hang of it. Go ahead and tell me. So there is a system of linear equations. Which system fits in the best? Try, guys. Can I get your answers on this one? Yep. Very nice, guys. Akshita and Avyukt, I got it. Harshat, are you able to do these? Lakshmita, did you get it, ma? Okay, guys. Next one is on the board. Looks like, see, if you're all thorough with this, I really want to move on, guys. Okay, these questions seem very easy. Let me give you some difficult questions as well. Let me see. Let's discuss 5, 6 questions that are easy. Then we'll move a little ahead. Arush, you're not answering, Arush.
Miss Priya, I did.
Okay. Yes, Arush, I got it. Good job. We'll discuss 5, 6 questions. If it's easy, we'll move on. Because it's not worth discussing the same thing. Wow, Akshita, is that so? Range of all real numbers greater than or equal to -1. Okay, yeah. Greater than or equal to 1. I'm not sure. Vikyat, how did you? Okay, you have also answered the same thing. That's a good one, looks like. Okay, Samanvi. Okay, guys, let me do this one on the board. Arush, did you do this? Kavin, did you do this? Jay, what was?
I put the answer.
Everybody says it's B. Minus x square minus 1. Minus x square is this. Minus x square minus 1 moves to the. So it goes down, right? So basically that is this. Here the range is. The range is what? The range is minus 1 and below. But they want real numbers minus 1 and above. So this is not right. So this one can be simplified to x square plus 4x plus 3. We studied completing squares. Correct, guys? Did we study completing squares? Did we study completing
Yeah.
squares? Okay, so I will choose these two. What do I do? B by 2a, the whole square, I'll add and subtract, right? What am I doing? B by 2a, if I want to add and subtract, what happens? B by 2a. So 4 by 2 times 1, that is equal to 2. So plus 4 and minus 4, I'll add and subtract. And then this becomes x plus 2 the whole square minus 1. So what happens here? 1 and above, right? See, the thing is for this one, right, if you think about it, x plus 2 the whole square. X plus 2 the whole square means move to the left, but then it moves up. So please tell me if you don't understand. So here it is 1 and above, is it? Yeah, range is 1 and above. Wow. Which function have a range that is a set of all integers greater than or equal to minus 1? Okay, minus 1 means it goes below. So here for this one, right, if you want to plot this one, what are the transformations in here? First of all, it moves to the left by 2. Okay, and after that what happens? It goes down. Goes down means it is minus 1 and above is what it is. Oh yeah, this one. Minus 1 and above. This is plus 1 and above. So whoever said B is correct. Please guys, after making sure B is correct, also make sure D is incorrect. Okay. So any questions on this? Any questions on this? No? Okay, good. See, this seems to be too easy on you guys, I feel. But I want to then go ahead. But let me see another few more. Okay. Let's see these ones. This is, yeah, this is good one. Let's see. How about this?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? Oh, this is a good one. Okay, go ahead and try this one. So, on exponential functions. If you want me to make it bigger, you're going to let me know, okay? Or maybe half of the class will revise and then after for the second half, we'll go ahead.
Appa, I'm so cool. I already answered the problem. Appa, want some popcorn? Auntie, you're muted.
Thank you, guys. I was going on talking. if you put x equal to 0, what is the value for y? Kevin, if you put x equal to 0 into the equation, what is the value for y? Yep, 3. So 0 comma 3 is a point on the graph. So it's definitely C and not C. First of all, is it decay graph or increasing graph? There is a number 3. You go on multiplying by 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, it is less than 1. So what happens? The entire thing goes on decreasing. So the answer is this or this. However, put x equal to 0, this becomes 1. Anything power 0 is 1. So y becomes 3. So 0 comma 3 should be a point on the graph. There is the 0 comma 3. So this is the answer. Any questions? Okay, Dhruv, we are discussing easy questions for star. Only star level questions, okay? We are not discussing the hard ones. How about this? Every year it follows the same pattern, guys. So it's on you, okay? So let's see. Every year it is the same pattern. Same benchmarks are being asked. Go ahead with this. Do you get it, guys? Which value represents? It's a sloping line downwards. Though, so it has to have a, see, when the line goes up, right, x increases, y increases, slope is positive. When the line goes down, slope is a negative slope. But the only thing is, slope is always y by x. Change in y by change in x. You should not change that. So it is a negative slope. Answer is either A or C. Now, change in y is bigger than change in x. So it should be greater than 1. Naturally, it's A. Meaning some sort of educated guess is more than enough. Okay, you don't have to know. Meaning even if you don't know, make an educated guess, you'll just be fine. Everybody got it right. Arush, what is the answer, Arush? Again, check. Can you explain, Arush?
That was for the before question.
Okay, so what is the answer for this one?
I'm still doing it, Miss Priya.
Okay, I'm waiting for you. Quick. I'm really waiting for you, please. I'm really, really waiting for you. Did you get it, Arush? Arush, did you get it?
No.
Okay, no problem. See, what is that they're asking, right? What value represents the rate of change is the slope, right? What is slope?
Oh, rise over run.
Huh?
Rise over run.
Change in y by change in x. Okay. So change in y by change in x, take any lattice point. Lattice point means that, which, see, this is a lattice point, this is a lattice point. So change in y is 60. Change in x is 10. You come down, so that is minus 60. You go to your right, that's positive. Divide by 10. Minus 6 is the slope. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? A part of the quadratic function f is graphed on the grid. Did you get it, guys? Okay, I think we should move up a little bit, guys. This is very easy for you guys. Greater than or equal to... Amma, please, we'll do one thing, guys. We'll put the question numbers. It's so hard for me to understand whether it's a previous question or the second question or the third question. I don't understand. Did you guys get it? Domain, right? Oh, okay. Okay, A is correct, guys. Looks like these are two easy ones for you. Okay, let me make it a little difficult. Did you do any correlation coefficient question? Let me see. Yeah, this is a good one. Wow, this one is... Okay, let's see this one. Okay, let's try this one, guys. How about this? Try the... let me change the number, please. Let me change the number. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll go grab your book and come. Give me 1 minute, okay? Did you get it, guys? Oh. I have several. Please put down the question number and answer, ma. This is number 3, right? This is number 3. Am I legible or not? So this is number 3. Oh, nice, Kavin. No problem, Kavin. Thanks for letting me know. Each of you have one answer on this. Some of you have A, some of you have D. What is the doubt here? I don't get it. D, Avyu correct, Dhruv correct, Samanvi correct, Lakshmita incorrect. Okay, I don't know what is the correct answer now. Okay, let me go ahead and quickly do this. With statement about 12x square minus 36x plus 27, right? So I'll equate it to 0 to find out my zeros. 12x square minus 36x plus 27. Oh wow, what is this? So what can I do about this? You have to find the zeros, right? Or express it in intercept form. I don't want to multiply the two numbers. It's so hard to multiply. So you know what I would do? I would divide by 12 throughout. So I would have this. If I divide by 12, it becomes 3x plus 27 by 12. I'll complete squares. How do I complete squares? These two are the ones I'll take, right? B is a minus 3, A is 1, right? So B by 2A minus 3 divide by 2 times 1 minus 3 by 2 the whole square. That is what I need to add and subtract. So x square minus 3x plus 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2. Then what do I have? Plus 27 by 12 I'll do. Okay, so this is how I complete squares. So what do I do then? I regroup. I'll put this into a square term. What is the square term? X, the square root of this square root of this. 9 by something feels wrong to me. 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4. So you need to be careful here. So this is the square term, right? So this is 3 by 2 the whole square. A minus b the whole square. Then you have, make it into 12 denominator. So that becomes minus 27 by 2 plus 27 by 2. Oh wow. Okay. So this would be equal to 0 is what I'm getting. Right? I would have taken something 12. I divided by 12.
I have a
on
question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Isn't it minus 27 by 12 plus 27 by 12?
Yeah. Yes. I'm going to cancel that. But then what happens? What happens here? Let's see. So that will be equal to x equal to 3 by 2 is my only. See, 3 by 2 the whole square. See, x minus 3 by 2 the whole square. That is my only 0 I'm getting. So the only 0 is this one. Right? However, I want to factorize this and check. Okay, here in this, what I can do already. Okay, let's factorize this and see 12x square minus 36x plus 27. Now, can I take 3 as if I take
I
3
don't
as
understand why it's D, because it says 3 in parentheses 2x minus 3, right? Not 2 in parentheses 2x minus 3.
let me check, Amma. I'm checking, right, Amma? I'm just factoring it out. Let's see. 4x square minus 12x plus 9. So 9 fours are 36, right? Product is 36. Sum is minus 12. So minus 9 minus 4 becomes better. Minus 9 minus 4. So what happened? Take 4 as common. No, I can't take 4 as common. Take x as common. So 4x minus 9. Take minus 1 as common. 4x minus 9. So what happens? X minus 1. 4x. Did I make a mistake? 9 fours are 36. 9, 10. Oh my god. Yeah, I made a mistake, guys. Let's see. So this one has 12 and then 9 fours are 36. When I multiply 9 and 4, 9, no, 10, oh then 13, okay. 9 fours are 36, right? So you should have a product of 36. Product of 36 means 6 and 6, right? 4x square minus 6x plus 9. So 3 is outside here, 3 times 2x when I take it as common, 2x minus 3. Minus 1 if I take it as common, 2x minus 3. So 3 times minus 3 is common. So I get 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 the whole square, right? So when I factored it out, see this is what I'm getting. 3 times 2x minus 3 the whole square. Oh my god, this also has it. Okay. But the 0 is actually where? 0 means you have to put y equal to 0. If I put y equal to 0, what are the value of x? I'm getting the value of x as 3 by 2. I think this is the answer. What did you get? What did you all get, guys? I got D. What did you guys get? Avyukt, what did you get?
I got D.
D. Harshit, what did you get? Harshit? Arush, what did you get?
I got D2.
Harshit, what did you get? Okay.
Sorry, my internet connection was a little wonky there.
Yeah, but I want you to be listening here. Okay, let's see this one. How about this? Yep, I would like you to tell me this one. Yeah. Okay, you're going to use a calculator. I'm going to see how better you use the calculator. Okay. Let's see whether you all know how to use the calculator. This is the question. Just tell me the answer quick. You are allowed to use the calculator, right? So go ahead. But it's you're being tested on using the calculator. Let's see. Go ahead and use the calculator. Let me know the answer, guys. Done? You're going to tell me the answers for this one. If you don't know how to use the calculator, this is the time you ask. Is it a decreasing sequence? Yeah, it is an increasing sequence for sure. Do you guys get it? You know what? I really want to move with the Akshita has. Guys, each of you are giving one answer. B, C. So many answers. Arush has a B. Kavin has a C. Samanvi has a C. Jay has a C. Vikyat has a C. So what did you guys do? Did you all use the TA84 calculator? Did you enter these? Stat, edit? Did you guys get it? After that, what did you do? You entered the data points, and after that, what did you do to find the equation? Guys, you're going to educate me. What did you do? Jay, you explain what you did?
Oh, okay. So I went to stat, then I went to edit. I put the points in, and then I went to calc and clicked on exponential regression.
Yes. So what did you get? Answer was C. Harshit, what did you get? Harshit? Okay. Now let's go ahead. Okay, one another thing I want to tell you. Okay, I have a table. Okay, here the table looks like this. X, Y. Okay, there is another table that looks like this. Okay, table 1, table 2, table 3. Okay, now table 3. Table 3. So now let's see this one, guys. Okay, guys, how about this? What kind of regression is this? What kind of, without using the calculator, I want you to please tell. Please don't use calculators, okay? What do you think about the values of X and Y in table 1? Harshit, tell me. What?
I think the values in table 1 are linear regression.
Why?
Cause it's increasing by 2 on each time, and it's not multiplying by 2 each time.
Good job. So there is a common difference. See the y values. There is a common difference. It's always successive term minus the previous term. Successive term minus the previous term. Successive term minus the previous term. What do you see? There's always a common difference. So it's an arithmetic sequence. If it is an arithmetic sequence, then you can use linear regression for this. Okay. Now coming to table 2, when you think about it, there is always a common ratio. When you have a common ratio, what type of a sequence is it, Lakshmita? If you have a common ratio, what type of a sequence is it?
Linear?
No, ma. If there is a common ratio, what type of a sequence is this?
Is it
Two.
exponential?
No, it's explicit, I think. No, sorry, geometry.
It is geometric. Geometric sequence. Yes, Vikyat, you're right. It's exponential regression. Make sense? Exponential function model. What model fits in these tables we are discussing? When there is a common difference, then we go ahead with linear regression. When there is a common ratio, we attribute we say that it's an exponential function model. Coming to the last one, what about this? It doesn't have a common ratio. It doesn't have a common.
Quadratic.
How do you say that? How do you find it?
The second difference.
Second difference is the same. Good job. So, second difference is the same. What is that second difference? 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 4 minus 1 is a 3. This is called the first difference. This is called the first difference. Okay. What is the second difference? 1 minus minus 1 is a 2. 3 minus 1 is a 2. See, this is called the second difference. Second difference is always the same. That means it's a quadratic function model. Meaning when you plot these points, right? 1, 1, 2, 0, 3, 1, 4, 4. When you plot this model, do you see the upward facing parabola? So that is a quadratic function model. Why it's a quadratic function model? Because the second difference is the same. Successive term minus previous term. Successive term minus previous term. Successive term minus previous term. I'll write it out as minus 1, 1, 3. And then again find the difference like that. Successive term minus previous term. Successive term minus previous term. Second difference is always equal. Okay, whatever be the number, second difference is always the same number. Then you have confronted a quadratic model. Okay, now let's see this one. You are going to tell me what regression fits. Okay, please don't. You can use a calculator for this. Okay, but if you use a calculator, let me give you the full problem. Okay. Okay, there are 6 values. Okay, now here when a rock is thrown into a pond, it makes a series of waves. The area enclosed by the first wave is recorded every second as shown in the table below. If the rock lands 15 meters from the shore, then when will it first wave reach the shoreline? So this is time, this is area. So the question is asking, if the rock lands 50 meters from shore, if rock lands 50 meters from shore, okay, when will the first wave reach the shoreline? When will the first wave reach shoreline? Okay guys, how are you going to find it? If a rock lands 50 meters from shore. Okay, if a rock lands 50 meters from shore, when will its first wave reach the shoreline? How will you find it? What do you think, guys? First of all, what type of regression is this? Find out. And then 50-meter landing from the shoreline. When will its first wave reach the shoreline? So basically pi r square is the area, right? Let's try, guys. Avyuk, do you understand how to do this?
I'm trying.
That doesn't seem correct, Dhruv. See, this is the time area, okay? To describe this question, right, this table, right? When a rock is thrown into a pond, right, it makes a series of waves. Area enclosed by the first wave is recorded every second and is shown in the table. So that gives you the clue. Did you get it, guys? How are you all doing this? I really wanted to understand how did you do. Akshita, you want to explain?
I didn't find my answer yet.
Okay. How did you find Harshat?
So basically, I did exponential regression to find
Why
out
did you do an exponential regression first of all?
to find out the A and B values, so then I could input like what number between 2 and 3 gets 50.
No, how did you think that it is an exponential regression?
Since there's no common difference.
Why can't it be a quadratic regression?
Because I see no repeating values.
What do you say?
Because I see no repeating values.
No values will repeat, right? If it's a quadratic regression, did you find the second difference in C?
No.
So the best way how to find what regression fits into the model. You know what? Do you come across the correlation coefficient? Okay, guys. Samanvi, do you have any thoughts on that?
No.
Okay. So when you're given a table like with two values, okay, 1 second it reaches an area of 9 meters square or whatever. 2 seconds it reaches an area of 35.8 meters square. Like that you're given some table, right? So First of all, you have to identify what is the equation pertaining to this. Is this a linear equation, or it's a exponential equation, or it's a quadratic equation? I have no idea what it is. You know what I do? I'll go to the calculator. Okay, so let me share and show you. I'm going to share my screen. Do you see my calculator? Please, can one of you read out the table 19235.8, right? Stat, edit. What is this, guys? Stat. Oh my god. Stat. Okay, stat. Edit is enter. So I can go ahead and add the values, right? 1. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I'll go to L2 value 9.0, 35.8, and then you have 79.8, and then you have 145.2, and then you have 225.1. 225. You have to know these guys. 225.1. Did I enter 225.1? Then 319.1. Okay, so this being the case, what you do, you can go ahead and find the R value. Suppose if you really do not know where does this belong to, is it first difference, second difference equal, or is it a common ratio, or is it a common difference? We don't know quickly, right? The other way is you have to go to the calc. Calc? No. Where do we go for regression?
Stat.
Stat, okay. Stat.
Wait, I think you have like a setting on wrong.
No. Wait.
Because when you click stat, it would be like edit and then calculate, right?
Yeah, ma. Start. See? Start calc. This one, right? So I'll go with the linear regression. Okay. Just see, calculate. If I calculate, I'm not getting the correlation coefficient value. What is the mistake? Who can find out? What is the mistake? I'm not getting the correlation.
You have to go to mode
Nice. Mode.
and then
Nice.
put on stat diagnostics.
On. So that helps you, right? Now go to I don't want a graph, but I'll go to the stat calc. Oh my god, I didn't mean to. What did I do? Stat calc. First, let me put a linear regression and see what am I getting. Yep, now it will show. See, R value is 0.9804. Okay, let's go ahead and try one more time. Stat calc. You have only learnt about linear regression and then exponential regression. What happens here? 98. Oh, this is 0.967. That was 98. So we'll do a quadratic regression and see again. Calc. I'll go to a quadratic regression. Then enter. See, 0.9998. So whatever the correlation means, the association between the two values. When it is nearing 1, that is when they are completely correlated. So it fits in a quadratic regression. So the table that I gave you, the equation, the function model would be what? 8.564 x square plus 2.444x minus 2.78. So that is your equation. Now what did I say? Actual question was, when will the first wave reach the shoreline, right? If a rock lands 50 meter from the shoreline. So if a rock lands 50 meter from the shoreline means what is the area? What is the area covered by that rock? 50 meter from the shoreline. So basically, this is the shoreline. 50 meter from the shoreline. 50 or 15? Let me check. 50. 50. Yeah. 50. So clearly 50 meters, right? So then what will be the area covered by the shoreline? So basically it will be something like this, right? Meaning 50 meters from the shoreline is landing. So the ripples will travel on a circle like this, right? Right? So this is 50 meters we know. Now what is the area covered by this ripple? We had the table of values connecting radius and area, right? This is time and area. So like this we had, right? Now first we need to find the area. What is the area? Pi r square, right? Pi times r is 50, 50, 50, 50 means 2500. So 2500 pi. Who is going to tell me what is 2500 pi, please? Something feels wrong. Something feels wrong. Hold on. Oh yeah. So go. You know what? Yeah. Yeah. Let's try that, guys. What is the answer to this? What is 2500 pi? What is 2500 pi, ma? So basically, I want the.
Six. Sorry.
Mm-hmm. So I want this I want this equation to be saved first of all, right? So what did I do? I went to second calc.
It's
I'm sorry, stat.
7,853.9.
7,853.9. Okay, that is the area. Okay.
Well, 7,854.
53.9 is okay. Okay. Now let's try how to do this. Okay. Now we know a function model. Now we are given the y value 7853.9. You have to find the x value. Correct. So what do you do? Now we calculated the quadratic regression, right? How did we do? Stat, calc. You found out the quadratic regression, right? Now I want to store it in a variable, otherwise my equation will not get stored. I have to type it in the calculator. I don't want to do it. So go to vars, y vars, store it as a function y1. Okay, then you calculate. See, now I don't need to copy down this equation at all. Okay, it will be there when I go to stat plot. See, this y1 has that value. That is the variable in which I am storing this equation. Now y2 will be the area which needs to be matched, 7853.9. So now graph this. The intersection of those two will get you the intersection of this area. You need to find the x values. What are the x values for which the area is equal to 7853? I am not able to see. So go to window, adjust. See, x min, y min. Actually the area is 8000. So we don't need negative values, literally 0. And then I need 8000, right? So I should make it as 10,000. Okay, the y value interval, let each y value interval be, I would say 1000 or I don't know, 500 maybe. Y value interval is 500, y SCL, x value interval, I don't know, guys. X value seems fine. So graph. No, I can't see anything, right? So I need to change the x values. X min is a minus 10. No, let me put it as minus 100. X max is minus 100. The interval on the x axis, let it be 10. Let's try graph it. See? Now how do you find the intersection? Stat, calc. No, it's not working. Start calc. So let's see.
Second calc.
Then go to intersect. First curve, second curve, guess, finally the intersection. See, that is the x value 30.14, 30.14868. That is one value. So the possible x values when y equal to 7853, possible x values the time cannot be negative, so you cannot do this. Okay, but this x value clearly says it's 30.145 seconds. So 30th second it would have arrived at an area of 8000 meters square or 8000 whatever unit square. So the answer was 30 point something. Any questions, guys? Samanvi, did you get how we got this?
Yes.
we plotted it as two different functions. Any questions? So we did linear quadratic exponential model. So we'll do one or two more. Okay. How about this? Okay. How about this? You are going to identify the model, guys. Okay. Use your, what is that? Use your regression coefficient. Regression coefficient is so powerful. Please make use of that. Okay. You're going to find out which regression fits best. Okay. Now, let me go ahead and show you the relationship between size and cost. What is the size? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, okay, let's see. A company needs boxes to package the goods it produces. One product has a standard shape and thickness but comes in variety of sizes. The sizes are given as integers. See, this is the size. Okay, the cost of the various sizes in cents are shown in the table. Cost is in cents. Okay, when the packaging cost reaches $2, the company will need to add a surcharge. What is the first size that will have a surcharge added? So what does it say here? So what do you need to do? I first will write down this cost. 7.1, 13.8. You are going to use this 20.1. 29.3, 50.1, 62.3, 86.9. So this is the size versus cost values. Now you are going to find out what model first of all it fits in. Then what you need to find out, the cost of various sizes in cents are shown in the table. When the packaging cost reaches $2, the company will need to add a surcharge. What is the first size that will have the surcharge added? So what is the size for which a surcharge is added is what is given. So you have to find out the X value. However, first of all, you need to identify what model is this. Okay, and then you will have an equation, right? From there on, it is in cents actually. Cost is in cents when you look at it, right? They're asking when the packaging costs $2. $2 means 200 cents, right? So when the Y value is when the $2 means how many cents, guys? 200 cents, right? Yeah. So when the Y value reaches 200, what is the X value is their question. So for you to know that, what you need to do, first of all, with the given data, you are going to plot a regression model. In that regression model, substitute, this is X, this is Y, right? Y equal to 200 is another graph. It's a straight line. See where this quadratic model intersects the line. Okay, that is your possible X values. Those are the possible sizes. Sizes can't be negative, so you will have to omit if there is a negative size. So when will the cost reach 200 cents?
Auntie,
Yeah, ma.
how do we save it?
Save what, ma?
Like using vars?
Yeah, I'll tell you. There is a vars button, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what did you do? Did you put the table in? Start edit?
Yeah, I did the regression.
So if you want to save that equation, right? So what do? Start. You edit, go to edit 1 and then just type in the values, right? After that, you want to store it, right? For storing it, just press on vars. Vars, y variables, okay? Let it be a function, okay? Then select the name, that's all. It will be stored in y1. When you press and oh my god, it will be stored in y1. Okay?
It is invalid.
No, ma, it will not be invalid. Here it is a mistake. I typed the answer here. Okay, so what you need to do is, once you want to store it, right? Go to vars, go to y vars, select function and then y1. Okay, then you go start plot, it will be stored here. You got it? Harshat, are you able to follow?
Vars, y-vars, function.
Mm.
It just says y1. Wait, pause. Edit, okay.
No, the problem is when you go to when you find out what regression it is, right? In that regression, first of all, find out what regression is that. Tell me. What regression is that? Akshita, are you following, ma?
I think, pause. Yes.
Okay, I want all of you to try doing this.
What?
What did you do?
Oh, wait, no, pause. I think I know what I did
Yeah,
wrong.
please take your time, learn how to do these in the calculator. Done?
Wait.
Yes, Priya.
Yeah, ma.
I did vars and then
One
y-vars
second,
and
guys. I don't know why. Yeah, 1 minute, ma. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I did vars
Huh?
and then
Uh-huh.
y-vars and then I went to function and I entered. And then when I went back to stat, I couldn't see it.
You couldn't see it, huh? Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Did you do the regression? First type out your where is that? Let me show you. Start, edit. Okay, you typed everything in, correct?
Yes.
Then what you
Yes.
need to do? You have to go to regression. Calculate regression, right? Start, calc. What regression are you trying to do? You have to do all the three, find out where is the maximum value of R. So which one was the
Okay.
maximum value of R?
Quadratic.
Quadratic, let's say. Now here only you need to set the variable, right? X list I have given on L1. What does it mean? Means X list I have given on L1. See, start, edit. L1, L2 columns are there, right? So L1 is X, L2 is Y. That's what you're stating here. So when you go to stat, calc, quadratic regression, when you say that, see, X list is my L1 column, Y list is my L2 column, okay? And then, 1 second guys, store regression equation in what variable? There only you need to press vars, y vars, function, y1. See, now only it will store. You got it? Then go to calculate. If you calculate, then this particular function goes ahead and stores here. Make sense?
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
Did you get it? I'm going to wait, guys. You all need to know all these. Try. Jay, did you understand how to type it and store it in a variable in a equation?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Please try to learn this here, guys. Now, for the second function, we already have the equation, right? Oh, why I'm not able to move? Okay. For the second equation, type 200 cents because that is the value of your intersection, 200 cents. Now go ahead, graph this and see. See my graph, it's so messy. So what I need to do is, I have to X, I don't want a minus 100 and all. So I would go ahead with a minus 10. Minus, you need to be very careful. Which minus you have to use? The one at the bottom, minus 10. Okay. Then X max is 10. X max is 10. XSCL. That's the interval, right? 1 is okay. Okay. Y min, we don't want 10,000 and all. Okay. We are just, Y max is let it be 200 I want, right? So let me go till 250. Okay. YSCL is the interval. Interval, can I have it as 10? It's enough to have it as 10. Go ahead and graph it and see. See, now you can really see the intersection. How to calculate? Go to calc intersect. It'll give me the first curve, second curve. See, guess, finally. See, that's the intersection. So basically, there'll be two values for which cost is 20 cents. What are the two values? 2.9 You have 2.9, right? Yeah. So 1 is 3 and I need one more intersection, right? So again go to calc, intersect. Oh, I'm not getting the second intersection. I'm really not getting the second intersection. Wait. So intersect. See here, first curve is 2.8. Okay, you need to find the second intersection for me. Okay, now let's see. First curve, second curve 4.8. Guess. See, the second intersection is 5.5. 5.55. So there are two sizes for which it will reach 200 cents. So the answers would be, what are they? One is this one and one is the other one. These two answers, x values. That's all. Any questions? Any questions, guys? Okay, if you don't have any question, I'll stop here. Okay.
Thanks, Priya.
Yeah. Bye, guys. All the best for your star. Okay.
Bye,
See you
Priya.
all next week after the star. Good luck.
Bye, Miss Priya. Thank you.
Bye, Ma.